Welcome back to another video. Today we're fitting some striped carpet on stairs. We measure the stairs, then we translate the measurement to the carpet, and I make the first cut. And then I take that carpet and put it on top of it so that I can match the stripes, so that we have a matching carpet before we get to the stairs. It makes life a lot easier when we get to the stairs.
My heart is ready for something I haven't had in a long time. True love crime, I hope you know that it may hurt for a while.
For regular viewers of my channel, you know that when we're using existing grip as an underlay, I like to use a touch of adhesive spray. Now I won't bother with showing you the fitting of the stairs today, because what we're really here about is the matching of the carpet and show you what the stripes actually look like and how to match the stripes on the stairs. We've actually done the hardest part of this job by matching the stripes before we get to the stairs. So all we're going to do now that we're fitting it on the stairs is to make sure that our pattern is consistent on both sides of the stairs, coming all the way down. So, having said that, what we're going to do is just crack on. And here we are with the first set of stairs fitted. Now I'm going to show you the match. And here I am matching up the second run of stairs. And I will repeat this with the third one we get down to the bottom. And hey, I think we're just about done with this one. If you like these types of videos, why not check out my playlist? Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.